Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what's needed. Open Blender, remove extra objects, and stay in object mode. Now add a block immediately by pressing Shift+A, choose Mesh, then Cube. You'll see the block at the 3D cursor. Move it with G or type exact coordinates for precision. Once done, use R to rotate and S to scale. For example, type 1 or 0. 5 for uniform scale. This gets you a clean, editable starting block right away. You now refine the block by entering edit mode with Tab and picking vertex, edge, or face select via 1, 2, or 3. To add geometry, use extrude E on a face to pull new faces out, and inset I to create an interface. For more control, add loop cuts with Ctrl+R and slide them into place. Make sure to toggle proportional edit O when you need smooth falloff, and enable snapping for precise alignment. These steps shape the block efficiently. You finish by applying transforms. Press Ctrl+A and choose rotation and scale so modifiers behave predictably. Then add modifiers like bevel for crisp edges, subdivision surface for smoothness, or Boolean to cut shapes. Stack and adjust them non-destructively. When satisfied, join objects with Ctrl+J or export. If something looks wrong, faces dark or holes, make sure to recalculate normals with Shift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.